Hello everyone and welcome to CAD/CAM online tutorial. We are going to discuss how to insert SOLIDWORKS smart component into an assembly today. To start off, I will open up an assembly file, a semi-finished assembly file, and I will use a smart component to complete the project. This is a handrail assembly and you can see that the floor flange are missing. There are 5 connection points. We need to add floor flange and the other component associated with the floor flange. Floor flange include floor flange cover, mounting screws, retaining screws, and cutout to sit the floor flange and hole for the screws. I have made one floor flange as a smart component, including all the associated component and features. What I'm going to do in this tutorial is I'm going to add that smart component into this assembly. Inserting smart component is easy. I have added the smart component into design library already. Watch my other previous video to see how I have created this smart component and added it to this design library. Click on design library and expand the folder, and I have added the component into smart component folder. You can see the thumbnails, and also when you hover your mouse over the part, you can see the name of the part and the description of the part. Select the part and drag and drop into the assembly. Click to create another 4 instances before you escape the command. And now escape the command, and let's assemble them properly using mate references. Click on mate command and select this cylindrical surface and the cylindrical surface. Flip the direction, click OK, and select this surface and top surface of the mounting part and click OK. Repeat the same thing to the other floor flange as well. Flip mate alignment, click OK, select this surface, click OK. Do the same thing. OK. And the same thing to this flange. And the last one. Exit the command and press Ctrl 7. Now we have added all the floor flange. You can see they are smart component from this flash symbol over the part. Now it is time to call the other associated components and features into the assembly, which is again easy. You can either right click on the part and select insert smart features, or when you click on the part from the feature manager design tree, you can see an icon with flash symbol appearing over the part in the graphic area. So you can select that icon as well. Here we go. When you click on that icon, there is a preview window appears which highlight any reference faces that we want to select to insert the component and features. In this case, it is the mounting surface. So let's select the mounting surface. you can see nice little preview, and look at the smart feature insert property manager. Everything is selected and click OK. Awesome. Now you can see the associated features are added. Let's see if associated component and features all are added or not. So we can hide this part, we can hide the floor flange. Now you can see the cutout are also added, screws are added, everything looks good. Unhide, unhide, and also you can see once we add all these smart component and features into the part, the folder icon get changed. Now this means that all the components are already added. Repeat the same thing to the other floor flanges as well. You can right click and select insert smart features, and you have to select, let's see which one it is. So this one, insert smart features, select the surface, see the preview and click OK. Do the same thing, click on, you can click on this icon as well, rather than right clicking and selecting insert smart features. Select this surface, look at the preview, click OK, and let's see the other one. Right click, select smart features, click the surface, look at the preview, click OK, and the last one, insert smart features, select the surface, click OK. Alright, press Ctrl 7. The assembly is completed. All the necessary component and features are added, including the cutout to sit the floor flange and the screws, holes for the mounting screws, all are added. So this is a very quick method of adding component and features to an assembly. So by now I hope you have understood completely how to add smart components into an assembly. I hope this is useful. Please like, comment and subscribe. Click on notification icon to get the notification for new videos. Thank you for watching.